Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover unsaved Word documents. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab, so go open up Word and then select File, and then select Info on the left panel here. Underneath Manage Document, go ahead and select the Auto Recovery option here. It should give you a list here of recent documents that were recovered. Go ahead and select that. And where it says Auto Recovered Version, go ahead and select Save As. And then you would save it to the desktop or wherever you'd want to save it to. And you would select Save. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.